reducing the linear equation to its simplest form and then solving it. The equation is a by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to a by 3 plus 1 by 4. First we will arrange the variable terms on one side and the constant on other side. It is a by 2 minus a by 3 equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So LCM will be 6. It becomes 3a minus 2a, which is equal to, LCM here is 20. It is 5 plus 4. Now a by 6 is equal to 9 over 20. Now it becomes a equal to 9 over 20 into 6. We'll cancel it. It is 10. It is 3. Now a becomes 9 into 3 over 10, which is equal to 27 over 10. So the value of a is 27 over 10. This is the answer.